Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and in this video I'm going to try and put this on my watch and put it on my wrist. I've never messed with one of these, so I guess I'm a glutton for punishment trying to do this on camera, but Peter also sent this over for us to check out, so figured I would at least try and get it on the watch and put it on wrist for a little bit, but I really haven't worn it, obviously. So let's try and get it on the watch here. I still haven't reviewed this. I've, as you know, bought way too many watches, and yeah, so one day I will talk about this watch, hopefully while it's still available. But the reason why I grabbed this because it has 20 millimeter lug width, and this appears to be 20 millimeter. Almost seems like it's small. Well, yeah, I think it's 20. So anyway, let's get it on the watch here. Hopefully I don't lose my spring bars. So the reason why I have this here is it has the directions. So yeah, let's do this. I'm assuming that's the hook. No, that's not the hook. I guess I should have looked at this ahead of time. Oh, Erica says enjoy. This must be that piece there, but why aren't they showing the hook on here? Not like you can take that off of there. All right. It's already not fun. Maybe this is why when people sell watches, they just leave the strap on it. But I think this is, I don't even know how much this costs. I think it's $50 or $60. Okay, got one in. Hopefully I'm doing this the right way. I know there are other, I don't know if they're off brands or if this one's the off brand or whatever, but I know there are other companies that make this strap as well. Sorry about keep taking it off camera here. Okay, I think I got that in there. I think you just put it through, put your hand through, obviously. Okay, this is a tad bit too loose. So let's see, how do we tighten it? Pull it this way. Does it make sense? Oh, okay. Now I see why there's certain wrist sizes, because you can only tighten this so much. So this is probably about as tight as it's going to get. Let's see if that works. I think I remember now when you order these, you have to tell her or them what size your wrist is. Yeah, this is going to be the world's worst tutorial video. And I've heard this could be an issue getting it on. I really don't want to scratch this up. get it on there? Okay, I think I got it on. So it might be a tad bit too tight, or maybe not. I don't know. I know some people, I think I have read the Seiko video that the Seiko Urchin that Chris lent in had one of these straps on it. And folks have said that they just leave this attached and then they just pull it off your hand and then just put it back on. So anyway, so I guess that wasn't too bad. That's about 5-6 minutes of me fiddling around with this and sizing it and getting it on wrist. So let me know your experiences with the Erica's original strap. I would think this probably would go better with a watch with a black case. I don't think I have any watches with the black case, so this will just stand in. Probably not the best color combination, but there we go. All right, well, as always, thank you for watching. I may have to pick one of these for myself and wear it for like a week or so on wrist. Actually, it might not be too bad for this guy here. Be really careful about wearing this. I don't really want to wear this while working at a desk because I'm afraid of scratching up the clasp on it. So I may put it on Erica's original, but this clasp is really neat the way it closes. Well, I mean, it closes like a normal clasp, but there's ball bearings in here, and it's just amazing. This is almost like a fidget toy, opening and closing this thing. So let me know. Should I put this on a elastic strap? Well, not this one, but yeah. Anyway, I think that will do it. Talk to you guys soon.